Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to continue where we left off in the previous video. This is the part 2 of the financial institutions video which we were discussing. In the first part, I had covered SEBI. Okay, I would recommend you to go and watch this video. And now in today's video, we are going to discuss National Stock Exchange. Okay, so let's get into it. So now discussing National Stock Exchange, as usual we would discuss NSE under 4 broad major points which are very important for prelims. That is, first one is the foundation years, second is the chairperson, third is the type of body, whether constitutional, statutory, non-government, etc. And fourth, headquarters and tenure. This is very important, headquarter and with it tenure of the chairperson. So discussing NSE, let's look into its foundation. So NSE was set up, it should be incorporated, not set up. NSE was incorporated in the year 1992. Okay, and it was recognized as a stock exchange in the year 1993. This is an important point. Do keep it in mind that NSE was incorporated in 1992, but it was recognized as stock exchange in the year 1993 under the Security Act 1956. So ये भी पूछ सकते हैं आपको कि under which act was stock exchange established. Okay, so this was the Security Act 1956. Now, after the establishment under Security Act of 1956, it came into operation in the year 1994. So remember these 3 years. One is that it was incorporated in the year 1992. It became a registered stock exchange in the year 1993 under the Security Act 1956, and it came into operations in the year 1994. There are total 26 stock exchanges in India. So do keep this in mind. This is just a random fact, not much important. Now moving ahead, popular index. This is important. This question have been previously asked in PSC examination. Okay, so do pay attention. CNX 50, rather commonly known as Nifty 50, it is a popular index it is a popular index belonging to NSE. This is CNX 500, also called Nifty 500. Okay, so Nifty is one of the more popular index of NSE. Okay, so do keep this in mind. ये पूछ सकते हैं, a question can be formed in this style that Nifty belongs to which security exchange, and they can give you option BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, or NSE, and so on and so forth. So you have to remember that Nifty belongs to NSE, that is the National Stock Exchange. See, here is another important point, that Sensex. Okay, this Sensex, it belongs to BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and not to National Stock Exchange. So you keep this fact in mind that Sensex belongs to BSE, okay, not National Stock Exchange. So do keep this in mind. ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है PSC. Sensex belong to which stock exchange, Nifty belongs to which stock exchange. So these are relatively easy and you can keep this in mind. Now coming to headquarters, another important source from where questions are picked up asking about headquarters. So headquarters of National Stock Exchange are located in Mumbai. So this is a very important fact. You have to keep this in mind. Now coming to chairman. So current chairman is Girish Chand Chaturvedi. Okay, he is a retired IAS officer, and its current CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer, is Vikram Lamaya. Okay, these 2 names in mind. They may be asked. They are direct questions which PSC can pick up. Now another important fact regarding NSE, that it created NSDL. Okay, so this is just a fact you have to keep in mind. Some PSC may ask what is NSDL. So it relates to National Stock Exchange. Basically it is a type of account in which we keep our shares and whatnot. And for your information, the full form of NSDL is National Security Depository Limited. Okay, so do keep this in mind. So I forgot to tell you about the ownership of National Stock Exchange. So NSE is not run by the government. In fact, it is managed by major banks of India, major banks and financial institutions. Okay, so these two are behind the smooth functioning of National Stock Exchange. Okay, so the government doesn't play a significant role in the functioning of National Stock Exchange. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked the content, and if you did, please make sure to press the like button and do subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and also let me know in the comments box which topic you want me to cover in the next video.